Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's Daniel Light. As usual, as you all know, I'm always here with a no deposit bonus for you guys to trade the live market without risking your capital. And if you actually missed out on my previous video, I would love you to still go and check, like, it's a $30 deposit and it's still on. And shout out to some of my guys who actually followed procedure and were able to claim the no deposit bonus, showing on the screen the proof. And the only way you can help me out is just subscribe to the channel, like and share this video to your guys so that they can also benefit from this no deposit going on. So without taking much of your time, the name of the broker is XM Broker. So right here we start from putting in our country where we from. You put in your Gmail, and also you put in a password which you'll be using to log in into the account, into the site. So make sure your password is up to requirement, as you can see on the screen right here. And once you're done with that, you click on this box that shows the agreement and you click on register. So from there it takes you to this next page that shows that your Gmail, the message has been sent to your Gmail. So right now we head to our Gmail to go fetch the message. Right, showing on the screen, you see right up here the message from XM. So you click on the message and it shows this box right there, verify email. So you click on it and then it directs you to this place that shows that your email has been verified, as you can see on the screen. Now this next page we have to verify our identity. You click on verify now and then it takes you to this next page where you have to put in your first name, your middle name, your last name, your date of birth, as you can see showing on the screen right here. So I just put in my details as you can see them, then put in your details and make sure they are the same thing with what is showing on your document. Put in your phone number and then click on continue. Then this next page you have to verify our address. Like you put in your address according to your details, like you have to verify your details also. You put in the postal code and click on add financial details. This next part you'll be asked question on your Forex journey. You click on yes and continue. And the next part also we have to verify our document. This is where you have to upload your document. So you click on start verification. This brings you to this next part where you first of all click on this small box and then click on verify me, and then it brings you to this place where you have to select one of these three options, submitting either your passport, your national ID, or your driver's license. So for me, I chose national ID, and you have two options. It's either you are snapping the ID or you upload the document. See it right down there. You click on upload or you snap the document live. So as for me, I want to upload, and then I click on upload and it directs me to my file where I have to just pick my image which will be needed for verification, uploading the front and the back side as you can see on the screen. So next you get this type of message, verification completed, and also this one it has been successfully uploaded. And if once you get verified, you will receive this type of message. See it here right here up here, it shows verified. And next we head to these three lines up here, click on these three lines and then it gives us options, and you click on competition. So from here it takes you to this part where you have to click on demo.